I got the Pixel 7 Pro and the Huawei Mate 50 Pro with me. It's a lovely morning in this park, and we're gonna take some pictures and videos to see who performs better. Be the judge and tell me which of those two beautiful phones you prefer. This is a comparison of the Huawei Mate 50 Pro and the Google Pixel 7 Pro front-facing camera, both recording at 4K 30 frames per second. Now I set the recording to 60 frames per second. You can check also how the audio is performing. This is the audio from the Huawei Mate 50 Pro, and now you hear the Pixel 7 Pro. This is a comparison of the main video camera, both running at 60 frames per second. Now I'm trying the stabilization. Active mode on Pixel 7 Pro, steady shot on the Huawei Mate 50 Pro. Here we go. Please leave your feedback and tell me which phone you preferred coming out of this comparison.
Komm mal noch. Zu den Jungs jetzt sind wieder für die 50 Minuten. Nee, das will ich nicht. Hier, da, guck hier. Oder?
I hope you liked this little comparison between the Google Pixel 7 Pro and the Huawei Mate 50 Pro. Check out this video up here to see me unpacking the Huawei Mate 50 Pro.